What can you do with overripe pears? Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we find an easy way to use overripe pears, apples, or any other fruit about to go bad. This crumble is perfect because it's quick to make when you're short on time and you probably already have all the ingredients at home. If not, feel free to substitute with what you have. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the descriptions below. Make sure your butter is cold for the perfect crumble texture. First, peel and cut the pears into chunks. The riper they are, the sweeter your dessert will be. Since we're cutting them into chunks, you can easily remove any bad parts. No one will notice. The pear chunks with sugar, flour, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. The flour will help thicken the juices as it bakes. If your pears were overripe because they were too tasteless for anyone to eat them, add half orange juice for extra flavour. Pour the pear mixture into a deep ceramic baking dish. Make sure it's large enough to create a balanced layer between the fruit and the crumble topping. Now for the crumble topping, mix almonds, sugar, flour and cold butter all together. Work the mixture with your fingertips until you get a crumbly texture. Don't overmix, you want those lovely butter chunks for a crispy top. Spread the crumble evenly over the pears. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for about 45 minutes or until golden brown. Serve this crumble with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. It keeps well in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and can be easily reheated in the microwave. The almonds will keep the crust nice and crunchy. For more fresh fruit recipes, check out the playlist above. Don't forget to subscribe! Those pears were so tasteless that even the horses wouldn't eat them.